I want to share another experience I had working with a service company. And this is about a garage door company. So my garage door in my house broke. I called the company that had installed the system a few years ago, and let me tell you how it went. I called them Wednesday morning, and they had a technician booked to come out that same day between, I think it was between 2 and 5. And if they can fix it on the spot, they will. If it needs parts or replacements, they'll make recommendations. We'll go from there. So they came down when they said they would come down. They were there that same day between 2 and 5. The technician came, tried to fix it. He identified the problem, the part that went bad, and then he gave us an option to get it replaced. But here's the amazing part. He had the replacement parts in his truck, and this was not a small, tiny replacement part. This was actually a rather large part. And he gave us the price. We agreed to it. He got to work right away, and he got the issue resolved in a single visit. And that blew me away. It may seem like a small, insignificant incident, but let me explain how they were able to do this. First and foremost, they were there that same day, a few short hours later. That is incredible. Okay, what that means is they have enough staff and enough trucks to have a buffer to not be chasing their tail. They have availability to be there for their clients, not because nobody's calling them and they're not busy. It's because they're charging enough money so they can afford to hire enough people, to run enough trucks, and to get to clients and deliver that exceptional level of service that the clients want. And then the next part was, how were they able to resolve the issue on that same visit, on that first visit? And then that's because their trucks were stocked with replacement parts. And the only way trucks can be stocked with replacement parts is if they standardize on the equipment they install. Meaning they're not installing 50 different types of systems for every single client, and things are different everywhere. And then if something breaks, we got to order it for you and then schedule another on-site visit to come and replace it. And these same principles apply to us as an IT company. There's so many different vendors to work with, so many different hardware to choose. Not saying one is better than the other specifically, but we chose our path and we chose what we decided to standardize in. And what that means is our techs are trained in it proficiently. We know it well. We keep up with the latest trends, vulnerabilities, updates, replacements, and whatnot. We have a documentation library built out for this so that we have a shared knowledge across the team. And most importantly, we keep replacement parts for this set of hardware that we are experts in, because if something happens, we're able to jump in and replace it. If we were to use different hardware by every client and different setups for every client, first of all, it's very difficult to scale, extremely difficult to get everybody trained up. Nobody knows everything about everything, and we would not be able to have these replacement parts. So just some food for thought of how to be more efficient in your service business and how to ultimately deliver the best experience to the client.